What up everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 7. And in this tutorial we're going to learn about something called increment operators. And increment operators, it really helps when you do iterations or you do something called something such as a loop or a for loop or a while loop, which we'll be learning in the next few tutorials. So let's actually delete all the stuff that we did from last time and delete all the spelling mistakes that I made. But it doesn't matter. We're not an English class. I always hated English classes, so it doesn't matter. So let's actually get started. So let's create an integer, and I'm going to call it x. And I will assign x equal to 5. And I'll put a semicolon. So let's say I want to increment x to add a 1 and then print it out. So if I write x is equal to x plus 1, and then I'll put a semicolon. And if I do a system.out.println and then press save and then run, I'll get the value of 6 because I have an integer x equal 5. So I have 5 plus 1, and then I'm assigning x again the sum value of this. So I'm telling, hey, x is equal to 5, which is here, and then after you're done this summation, I want you to assign x to be equal whatever value it is. So let's say if I do this once again, now since I had x is equal to 6 in here, so if I put 6 there plus 1, I'm gonna have a 7 over there. So let's actually run it and prove that point. Now I'm actually going to have a 7. But instead of doing that, we can actually do something more simple, and a lot of people use it. If I, instead of write x equal x plus 1 semicolon, all I actually have to do is write x plus plus. So if I do x plus plus and then run it, I get my value of 6, because what this means, I'm just incrementing x by 1. And I can also do the same thing from the other side and then save it and run it. Oops, I will actually get the value of 6 again. In this particular case, the plus plus before the x or after the x didn't matter, but it does matter in certain cases, and I'm going to explain that in the next few tutorials. You can also do that with minuses. So if I do run it, I'll get actually a value of 4. So that's actually how you increment some values. You can also increment if you want to do like x equal to x plus 5 and then so on. You can actually increment by a number more than 1. But if you just want to do the 1, you can use those, which are easy to use. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.